Hey guys, Mason with P&P Small Engines. Today I wanted to show you one of STIHL's chainsaw tune-up kits. This kit in particular will fit the MS 261, 271, 291, the 362. It will also fit the newer MS 311 and the MS 391 with the circular air filter on there. It is STIHL part number 1141-007-1800. As you can see, this kit comes with a fuel filter, spark plug, and that circular air filter. So let me show you where all of this is located on a MS391. The air filter and the spark plug are easily accessible underneath this cover. To get the cover off, there are 3 screws you will need to loosen up. To do that, you can either use the flathead side of the scrunch that came with the original purchase of your saw, or you can use a T27 Torx bit. After you get all 3 of those screws loose, what you're going to want to do is engage the chain brake right here, squeeze the trigger, and put your choke into the full choke position. That will make it so that the cover will just pull right off. As you can see right here, here's your spark plug. To get that off, you can either use the original scrunch that came with your unit or a 3/4 inch socket. Right here is the air filter. As you can see, there's a kind of on-lock twist symbol. What you're going to want to do is just kind of push in and twist, and your air filter is going to come right off. To put it back on, same premise, kind of push and twist on. You can hear a slight click. That means you're engaged. Just give it a little tug to make sure that it's on there snug. Now, once we have our air filter and our spark plug replaced, we're going to want to replace the fuel filter. As you can see here, the back side of the unit is your fuel tank. You'll pull down and twist your cap off. Right in there, you can see the fuel filter. It can be a little tricky to get to. What we recommend is a pair of needle nose pliers in there. You can pull on that fuel line, kind of pull the fuel filter out and replace it. And that is the tune-up kit for the MS 261, 271, 291, 362, and the newer MS 311 and 391 with that round air filter. Check out in-store or online at pmpsmallengines.com.